So you might be on Telegram and you might be trying to figure out what happened to Nearby Share. Now, Nearby Share was a really cool feature. I guess some people showed it. I never even really used it, but Nearby People was this feature within Telegram that allowed you to send messages to people nearby you. Now, was removed a couple of months ago, so keep that in mind. This was a feature that came and went. It was there for a long time. Then Telegram ended up removing it recently. However, for some people who are on older versions, you might still be able to get this type of feature. So if you are on an older version of Telegram, what you can always do is to just use that older version of Telegram, but just know that it may not work completely. Make sure your location on is on and everything like that. If you have an Android phone, you can also try downloading an older APK file of Telegram. So you can type in something like Telegram APK, and you can try to find an older version of this Telegram application, and you can download that, and that might give you some extra capability. But for the most part, keep in mind that this is not going to be here that much longer. It's probably going to be removed very, very soon. So that Nearby Share feature is going to be gone very, very soon. So if you used to have it, again, it was there for quite a bit of time that they ended up removing it. But if you do have some older versions of Telegram, well, you might still actually be able to go ahead and utilize this feature by utilizing an older version of Telegram. As long as you haven't really updated it, then you should be able to kind of still use it. But that's kind of that. That's kind of how to use it for the most part and how to fix it if it's not working anymore. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.